All of our modern comforts come from the transformation of natural resources into energy and objects. Since things have a lifespan, civilization has always had to deal with what to do with waste. Each year, Americans throw away 250 tons of trash into landfills. But for many of our discarded objects, the destination is the landscape, the waterways, and the out-of-sight areas around our communities. This waste has potential hazards for our health, especially when trash doesn't even make it to a landfill, but is illegally dumped anywhere. This dumping becomes an expensive issue. It can also be hurting our health. An older TV screen can contain 6 pounds of lead. Abandoned refrigerators are a danger to small children and contain chemicals and hazardous wastes that can leach into soil and water. Old computer parts, cell phones, and medical waste are expensive to dispose of properly. For many people and some corporations, illegal disposal is a way to save money. Heavy metals that leach into groundwater can cause birth defects and damage the nervous system, kidney, and brain. American culture relies on the automobile. America alone has over 240 million vehicles on the road and manufactures over 40 million cars a year. The car is not just a single thing. It's made up of thousands of compounds, plastics, chemicals, and material bits that are contained within it. Pound for pound, the most dumped single item are vehicle tires. Approximately 240 million scrap tires are discarded annually in the United States. Throughout America, tires are dumped on the sides of roads, in parks, and in dumping grounds. Burning tires contains over 70 chemicals and compounds that are emitted into the air. Besides being bad for the environment and clogging rivers and streams, dumped tires can collect water and become a breeding ground for mosquitoes with West Nile virus. Junked cars contain hazardous wastes, including gasoline, oil, and antifreeze. Since automobile corporations have no international regulating body on tire waste management, in the United States, the Environmental Protection Agency is the regulatory agency for waste disposal. Each state has laws that help to protect against illegal dumping. A lot of states have laws that are very stringent, but unfortunately they are not often enforced, leaving areas with waste that needs to be cleaned up. When agencies spend time and money cleaning up after dumpers, there's less resources for their original missions. States are starting to become savvier about illegal dumping, including creating neighborhood programs with monetary incentives for catching illegal dumpers, and even creating green spaces from cleaning up waste sites. If we are to enjoy the convenience of modern transportation and consumer items, we should pressure local governments to enforce stricter regulations on manufacturers as well as disposal methods. Let's work together to learn how to mindfully throw away our garbage, to protect our communities and our health, and learn how to be consumers with the latest and greatest without letting our stuff consume us.